3. The next cost would be the hidden cost. Now, for example, if you ask, the tariff structures, they are industrial. They are called commercial industrial. There is CI1 and CI5. That's starting from 415 to 132 kV. Those people are made to believe that they pay, for example, for CI1, they pay 12 shillings. That is what the government says, that you guys, you are paying 12 shillings per kilowatt hour. But it has not told them that you're actually paying 19.47.
So where's the 7 shillings going?
That is taxation, fuel, taxes,
All those
warma, and all
things.
that. Now, it's not even 19.47. It is actually 20-something. Now, that is where now the consumer decides how much you need to be charged. Why? Because you will be charged demand separately and power factor separately. So you will. I normally do audits.
What are those?
Those are things that, that's why I'm saying there is a lot of lack of information in the country. When you have three-phase power supply, you are charged because if you have been told that you demand, like what we were saying, that if your iron box is demanding for 2 watts, or 2 kilowatts, now you will be charged an extra 800 shillings per kilowatt. So you'll pay an extra 1,600. On top of what I'm saying is 19.47, they will end up paying 20-something.
Because of the iron box now coming on.
No, because of it's on the bill. The demand is charged separately.
Right.
It is on the bill. And so if your demand is like 1,000, remember, you will pay 800,000 extra just for demand.
Okay. Now, these